Instinct, replacing watch band. In this video, we're going to teach you how to replace your watch band. Tool. At first, you will need a needle like SIM card needle or paper clip. We will be using SIM card needle as our demonstration in this video. Disassembled watch band. To locate the needle on one side of the band, push it through. Slightly push the top of the spring bar. Then push the other half of the band. The watch band is disassembled. Install watch band. If the band you want to install does not have a spring bar, you may use the spring bar you just disassembled. Use the needle to slightly push the spring bar. Carefully pull out the spring bar. Push the spring bar into the holes on the new band. Next, install your band on the watch. The new watch band is installed on your watch. QuickFit watch band. Instinct's watch band can be replaced with QuickFit watch band. Only applicable for 22mm watch band. Install the spring bar on your watch. Buckle QuickFit watch band on the spring bar. And you're all set. Reminder, please carefully remove and install your watch band and don't hurt yourself during the replacing process. Or you may visit Authorized Garmin Service Center to help you replace your watch band. Thank you for watching.